So regional cricket commentator Fazir Mohammed has put a spanner into the works as it relates to the recent West Indies Test Series win over Bangladesh. Fazir is suggesting we temper our celebrations and put some perspective on the victory. Listen.
They won in the end, and therefore they need to be given credit for it. Having said all of that, they need to build on it now. They need now not to say, well, okay, this is one of the greatest Test Series victories of all time. Because it isn't. It's 8 versus 9 in the Test ranking.
Yeah, man. 8th ranked West Indies beating 9th ranked Bangladesh. And we are going like, we turn the corner. Of course, people are attacking Fazir, saying him trying to water down the West Indies victory and blah, blah, blah. Nonsense. People are forgetting that we are not Bangladesh or Zimbabwe or Afghanistan. West Indies have history, tradition, and pedigree in cricket. We were once the kings of the world. We're not supposed to be satisfied and celebrating like happy-go-lucky children for being ranked at number 8 and beating the number 9 ranked team. Fazir is questioning our standards and our ambition, hoping that one bright day we will be celebrating series victories over Australia and England and India again. And stop, jump up and shout because we beat Bangladesh. Yes. Well said, Fazir. Well said. Well said. Absolutely well said. Well said. Well said.